The Xpeng Land Aircraft Carrier, an innovative concept that takes vertical takeoff and landing VTOL technology to an entirely new level. This is more than just an aircraft. It's a vision for how air mobility could be integrated into large-scale infrastructure. Think of it as an aircraft carrier, but on land, designed to house multiple VTOL aircraft. The NASA X-59, one of the most exciting innovations in aviation today. This supersonic aircraft is designed to break the sound barrier, but without the disruptive sonic boom that typically accompanies supersonic flights. Through advanced aerodynamics and noise-reducing technologies, the X-59 promises to usher in a new era of quiet supersonic travel. If successful, this aircraft will not only shorten flight times dramatically, but will also open up the possibility of global travel that doesn't disturb the environment or local communities with sonic booms. Imagine traveling from New York to London in just a few hours, with no ear-splitting noise. The X-59 represents a leap forward in the pursuit of faster, more sustainable air travel. The Lilium Jet, an all-electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft that promises to change urban air mobility. Unlike traditional aircraft, the Lilium Jet has a unique design with 36 electric engines integrated into its wings. This aircraft is designed to operate in cities, flying over the traffic and reducing commute times by offering on-demand air taxi services. With zero emissions and quiet propulsion, the Lilium Jet aims to drastically reduce urban congestion while offering a fast, eco-friendly mode of transportation. Its design is a clear indicator of how electric propulsion is playing a vital role in reshaping air travel, and it could be a significant part of urban transportation networks in the near future. The UDX Airwolf, a hybrid electric aircraft that blends military-grade technology with civilian use. The Airwolf is built to be versatile, capable of operating in both military and commercial settings. Whether it's for air taxi services in urban environments or cargo transport over long distances, the UDX Airwolf is designed to offer fast, flexible solutions for the future of air travel. Its ability to take off and land vertically, combined with its hybrid powertrain, makes it a true example of how the aviation industry is moving towards sustainable and efficient technologies for various types of aviation needs. The Boom Supersonic XB-1, a revolutionary aircraft that's taking supersonic flight to new heights. This prototype aircraft, built by Boom Supersonic, is designed to fly at speeds of Mach 2.2, more than twice the speed of sound. The XB-1 is the testbed for Boom's Overture, a supersonic airliner that could one day make long-distance flights faster and more accessible. Imagine cutting your flight time from New York to London down to just 3 hours. The XB-1 uses cutting-edge materials and engines to reduce fuel consumption and noise, which are common issues with supersonic jets. With its futuristic design and capabilities, the XB-1 could bring supersonic commercial air travel back to life in the coming decades. The Vertical Aerospace VX-4 is an electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft designed to revolutionize urban air mobility. With a top speed of 200 miles per hour and a range of 100 miles, this zero-emissions aircraft offers a cleaner, quieter alternative to traditional helicopters. The VX-4 can transport passengers efficiently through congested cities, bypassing traffic and reducing travel times. Designed with safety in mind, the VX-4 is expected to be fully certified by aviation authorities. The ACE VTOL Trinity is a cutting-edge hybrid aircraft that combines the capabilities of vertical takeoff and landing with high-speed performance. This versatile aircraft is designed for both urban and regional air mobility, offering a solution for short, mid, and long-distance travel. Equipped with advanced electric propulsion, the Trinity offers a sustainable, low-emission alternative to traditional aircraft, while its spacious cabin is designed to comfortably accommodate passengers and cargo. Its unique hybrid design allows it to operate in both urban and suburban environments, making it highly adaptable to different flight needs. The ACE VTOL Trinity is part of the future of air travel, where flying vehicles will be able to seamlessly integrate into daily life, improving both the speed and quality of transportation. The Honda Jet 2600 is the next evolution of Honda's successful line of business jets, pushing the boundaries of fuel efficiency, range, and comfort. The 2600 concept is a lightweight, long-range jet capable of cruising at speeds up to Mach 0.82 and has a range of 2,625 miles, ideal for long-distance travel without the need for refueling. This business jet features an innovative over-the-wing engine mount design, which reduces drag and increases fuel efficiency, making it quieter and more economical than traditional jets. Inside, passengers are treated to a spacious and luxurious cabin, equipped with advanced technology for both comfort and productivity. Designed for the discerning business traveler, the Honda Jet 2600 aims to bring sustainability to private aviation while offering the high performance and comfort expected from a Honda product. Xpeng Aero's HTE-VTOL flying car is an ambitious concept that merges the worlds of aviation and automotive technology. This electric flying car is designed for vertical takeoff and landing, offering a new level of personal mobility. With a sleek, futuristic design, the Aero HT is designed to be a practical solution for urban air mobility, allowing passengers to avoid traffic congestion and travel quickly between city hubs. Joby Aviation's S4 is one of the most anticipated electric VTOL aircraft designed to operate as a commercial air taxi in urban environments. With a top speed of 200 miles per hour and a range of 150 miles, the S4 is set to revolutionize urban air mobility by providing passengers with a fast, quiet, and eco-friendly alternative to ground transportation. Powered entirely by electricity, the S4 emits zero emissions and produces much less noise than traditional helicopters, making it ideal for use in densely populated areas. The aircraft is designed to carry up to 4 passengers, providing a comfortable and efficient mode of travel across cities. Joby Aviation's goal is to have the S4 in operation by the mid-2020s, creating an affordable, on-demand air taxi service that will be a game-changer for the future of transportation. Boeing's Passenger Air Vehicle, PAV, is an autonomous eVTOL aircraft designed to transport passengers in urban environments. This aircraft combines the convenience of vertical takeoff and landing with the advanced technology of autonomous flight. With an eye toward creating an urban air mobility ecosystem, Boeing is working to integrate advanced avionics and electric propulsion into a fully autonomous vehicle. The Aviation Alice is an all-electric commuter aircraft designed to offer a sustainable, cost-effective alternative to traditional short-haul flights. With a range of 440 miles and the capacity to carry up to 9 passengers, the Alice is poised to transform regional air travel. Its all-electric design eliminates the need for fossil fuels, reducing carbon emissions and operating costs. The Alice is expected to offer a quiet, efficient, and environmentally friendly travel experience for both passengers and operators. With the potential to significantly lower ticket prices and make regional flights more accessible, the Aviation Alice. The Terrafugia TF2 is an innovative eVTOL aircraft that redefines the possibilities of urban and regional air mobility. Its modular design features a detachable passenger pod, which can easily convert between air and ground transportation. With vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, the TF2 is ideal for navigating congested city environments, while the detachable pod can be driven on roads, making it the perfect solution for seamless door-to-door travel. The TF2 is expected to provide a versatile, eco-friendly, and efficient transportation option for future urban commuters, reducing traffic congestion and offering more sustainable travel choices. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest adventures. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, the digital world is full of endless possibilities. Until next time, this is Digital Explorer.